gente, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, bienvenidos. If you are a returning viewer, you are appreciated. Thank you so much. Your support and love means everything to me, guys. As always, consider subscribing, hit that like button, leave a comment, hit the bell. Apparently that matters. But in today's video, as you can already tell by the caption, we are going to be discussing the May Ipsy Glam bag. The bags are always so cute. I'm a huge sucker for these bags, but as you may or may not know, I am currently subscribed to the lowest tier of the Ipsy Glam bag. So that means that it is 5 sample size products. Now for the month of June, I have already upgraded, so we'll be getting the next tier up. So that way we can kind of compare everything together and you guys can then determine what works best for you guys. So stick around and let's see how this goes. All right guys, so now we are up close and personal. That way you guys can see everything per usual. Now in the May Ipsy Glam bag, this time there was a little piece of paper for the add-ons, a little pamphlet, and just little highlighter 101s for the season. However, it didn't come with the pamphlet it usually comes with, describing every product, the price, and how to use them. So I had to do some, a little bit of research. Fortunately, the first product that we're gonna be discussing, I actually already own this. It is the Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. Now this thing, I'm just gonna talk while I put it on here. It's actually really good. I have become such a fan of this product. I love it. It's kind of a skin saver. When my skin is flaring up and it has red patches, this thing just soothes everything so nicely. So what you wanna do with this is, it is actually a mask, but it's not a mask that you wipe off. It's a mask that you let just soak into your skin. So you're supposed to just leave a semi-thick layer, like I did so, on your face, and for 15 minutes just let it soak in, let it do its thing, and then it should dry completely into your skin. If it doesn't, just pat around it, make it go into your skin, or you can also grab a napkin and you can wipe it off. I personally do not like wasting product, so you will catch me wearing it as long as I have to and patting it as much as I do so I get all of it in my pores. Now, while that dries out, let's go into second item, which is this one. It is so tiny. It is Tarte Jelly Glaze. This is an anytime lip mask. I have not used this. Tarte, I feel, is one of those hit or miss kind of brands here, but ooh, okay. Like, you just put it on. This feels like those squeezy lip jellies that you used to use in elementary. It's exactly how that feels. Kind of how that tastes. But yeah, just leave it on your lips and let it do its thing. So a little did go a long way. It is tiny, but I could probably see myself using this probably a handful of times. Let's see how that does. We're going to wait for the mask to dry up as well as the lip mask, and we'll see how this does. All right, so it's been about 15 minutes, and as you can see, the face mask, it absorbed everything. It left me dewy and plump. I absolutely love this thing. Now I went ahead and I already put on lotion on top, and I put on primer on this side of my face, not on this side, because the next item in the bag is a concealer. It is YENSA. It says it is a BC concealer, so it has BB and CC in it. It claims to be full coverage concealer. So I want to see how this does on this side of the face. Just, if you're on the run and you just want to put a little bit of concealer on. And then on this side over here, we're gonna do with foundation. Now I am using the Milk foundation stick here, and I've had a couple requests on that. I am in the works of creating a video here for just all the foundations and my recommendations, and that is actually going to be in it. So haha, spoiler alert, I recommend it. This is my go-to. But yeah, just a really thin layer. It is very buildable, it is blendable, it is medium to full coverage, depending on how many layers you want to add. Now, while we're doing that, this I don't think is soaking in. It does feel less jelly though than it did when I initially put it on. So there is that. But let's go ahead and open this. Oh, the pressure of it. All right, let's go ahead and take the tip of our beauty blender. I am not sure if this is my color, but we'll see. Okay, yeah, no, this should be a good color here for me. She doesn't have a smell. Well, I believe is full coverage. So yeah, it is doing what it claims to do. I don't like the applicator, and I don't know if this is because it is a sample, it's a trial size. This month I feel like the samples are all very small, but I did go ahead and I upgraded to the plus box, so that should be giving me starting June, so next month I should be getting full-size products. So we'll see if it's worth the hype or not. But here is the concealer. I think it did pretty well. Is it my favorite concealer? No, I don't think anything really stands out. I feel like you can still see some pink under from here. Let me cover my nose a little bit. Yeah, not the best, not the worst. Next, let's just go to the next product. That's all I gotta say about this one. We have from THEBALM, surprisingly enough, an eyeshadow single. Either it's called St. Charles or it's called PERF. I don't know. Am I a huge fan of this brand? No, I don't hate it, but I feel like they send, even before resubscribing, I used to get these all the time, and unfortunately singles, I just forget about them. I reach for my palettes, these just kind of accumulate there and have no purpose. I end up giving them to either my little sister or she doesn't like makeup yet, so my little cousins or something. I don't necessarily keep these. The formula is, however, very, very soft. It is matte. They actually sent in, the last item is a brush, so it's perfect. We're gonna go ahead and try this brush with this shadow, so that way we can kind of, what is it, kill two birds with one stone. So let's see how this does. The brush, oh, it's so soft. I'm just testing it on my hand. It is very nice. Okay, I am a sucker for brushes. I feel like they can send me all the brushes they want and I will be so happy. Yeah, see, it's a fine eyeshadow. I have no problems with it. I'll forget that this exists. I've never purchased one of their full palettes. They just don't stand out to me. I'm sorry. But maybe I should read into the company, maybe what they stand for. Maybe it's something that I'd be interested in. I don't know. I know absolutely nothing about this brand. So that's it. I mean, it's a nude. It's a transition color. It went on well. It's not patchy, as you can see. But you just can't really see that much of a difference since it's very close to my normal skin color. But this brush, I am living for it. It is so nice. So nice. But yeah, okay. I mean, that's pretty much it. This month, it was very, very simple, small products. Am I impressed by anything? Not really. I probably would have been if I didn't know about the Arnica mask. I love this thing. So now I have 2. So I am not mad at that. And the brush as well. Like I said, a sucker for brushes. So I'm not mad that I have 1 extra. The lip mask, I feel like I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it. Am I mad I have it? No. Will I use it? Probably not. But it is there. I'm curious to see. I'm going to leave it on for the rest of the evening and see if I do notice a difference in my lips tomorrow. Maybe after long wear, it'll be good. The concealer, it's a concealer. It's a little sticky. It doesn't feel super heavy. It claims to be full coverage on foundation, yes. Without foundation, not so much. The color, it's a light neutral. So I'm curious to see exactly how many shades they have. From my experience, BB and CC cream, they don't have many shades. Their shade range is usually like light, medium, dark, and then something in between. So you got like 5 shades. I don't know if that's the case with this brand. But yeah, if the actual concealer is with the same applicator, I'm not a fan. I like a brush so you can put it on your face, or a pump so you can put it straight onto the beauty blender. This is just, it reminds me of eyelash glue, and we all know that's an issue. So that has been the May Ipsy Glam bag. I am excited to see June's, to see if it is worth continuing the subscription. If you are a beginner in makeup, or you just want to expand your knowledge on different brands, I think $12 a month isn't that bad. However, if you're looking for actual products where you're going to use on a daily, you want full sizes, we're going to have to see if upgrading will be worth it. Now, I do have in my plans, I know that there are other subscriptions out there. I hear great things about other ones, and I am curious to give them a try so that way we can compare them. And you guys can then decide which one works best for you. So this is pretty much it, guys. Please feel free to subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment. I will also be uploading on Instagram a quick little poll where I'm asking you guys if you want these type of videos, just a subscription review, a product review. I keep seeing like a shadow. I'm gonna ask you guys if you want these to be a Sunday upload, or if you just want them to be a random once a month upload during the week. So let me know what you guys want, and I will do my best to provide that. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something, and as always, I love you.